In this screencast, we'll see how to create histograms and box plots in the website Plotly. Last time I checked, Plotly requires us to use Google Chrome, not Internet Explorer, so you'll want to use Chrome when you do this. In this Excel spreadsheet, I have two columns of data. One are the sizes of homes in finished square feet in Madison that were for sale at the time of the data collection, and over here, same thing only for Middleton. So how many square feet were in all of the houses for sale at the time we collected the data. And this is straight from our Dane County Homes data in our Excel files section of our Blackboard site. So what I want to do is put the data into a Plotly grid and then create a histogram and then also create a box plot. And we either have or will talk in class about how to interpret these things, but right now I just want to see how the technology works. So I'm going to begin by grabbing this first column of data in Excel. Excuse me. Technical issues. There we go. So grab the first column of data, right-click, copy. Now I go to Chrome. So I go to Google and I type in, I go to any place in Google Chrome and type in Plotly. And I was already logged in earlier today, so it took me straight to my Plotly site. If not, if you're logging in for the first time of the day, it'll say please sign in, and you need to sign up for an account on Plotly, which just requires giving it an email address for yourself. So, but I was already logged in, so I don't have to sign back in. So I go to Workspace. And then I tell it I want to look at a new grid. And now I'll copy the Madison home data in this first column. And it won't let me right-click and paste the way Microsoft Office does. But if I type Control-V, then everything from this clipboard gets entered here. I'm going to go up and change the column name to Madison. Okay, and then I go back to my data set, pick column C now, just by clicking on the C. Right-click, I can copy. Go back to Plotly, go to column 2 now, Control-V again, and I'll rename this one Middleton. And this first row here doesn't contain data anymore, so I'm just going to delete that whole first row by right-clicking and removing selected rows. So now I've just got data, and the titles reminding me where it's from is up here. Okay, so now I'm going to make a histogram just of the Madison homes. So I'm going to tell Plotly that I want to make a plot, and I want to make a histogram. I'm choosing Madison as X, and I'm going to leave Middleton out of this. And then I click on Histogram. And here we have a histogram. Now, there's some customization that I like, so let's go to Traces and Style. And I like having a border between the bars, so I'm going to put a nice thick 3-point border. And that's the only customization I feel like I need right now. Now, I've got a histogram, and I can do a screenshot to download this if I want to paste it into something to hand in, or let's see what my other options are. Save as, and let's see, that's only going to let me save it as a web page. If I want to download it, oh, I export it, that's right. And I can export it as a PDF or a PNG, and then I can copy and paste and put it into a Word document to hand in. So here's my histogram. Now let's go back to the grid and make side-by-side box plots. So I go back to Make a Plot, Box Plots. I'm going to choose both Madison and Middleton as Y. And here's my box plot, and I can see Madison's blue, Middleton's in orange. And we'll again talk about how to interpret these in class, but it's clear from the box plot that the Middleton homes are bigger than the Madison homes. This center line, which is the median, is quite a bit higher than the center line in Madison. So that's how you make box plots and histograms.